What's up guys? Once again, it's James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Lupino. Now today, medyo interesting tong video natin because for the longest time, all action cameras are actually the same. They have the same quality, they have the same features, and they have the same limitations. But for this one, merong dalawang bagay na first time na nangyari sa industry ng mga action cameras, and that is number one, open gate sensor technology, and number two, for the first time ever, meron na pong adjustable aperture sa isang action camera. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6. And honestly, this might change how creators shoot contents. So guys, again, this is the DJI Osmo Action 6. And one thing na na-notice ko guys dito, like I'm sure maraming nag-unbox at gumawa ng content nito ang hindi na-notice ito. For some reason, as you can see here, yung diver, zoom in mo pa kung kaya, yung diver, hindi siya gumagamit ng diving case. And for some reason, DJI released this unit without actually even really having a diving case available, which is pretty much weird. So the box itself is very similar dun sa previous generation, which is the Action 5. So we have the Adventure Combo here on our hands, which actually involves etong mga nasa likod na makikita din natin in a bit. So tara, unbox natin siya. Super excited ako guys dito para sa Action 6 kasi honestly, sobrang lala talaga ng hype from action camera to, especially yung in-announce to. So actually medyo late na tayo, but it doesn't matter guys. Gagawin pa natin siya ng content. So out of the box, oy! Okay! Kaya pala hinahanap ko, nasa loob pala yung kanyang extension rod, okay, which pretty much very standard. Now, dito sa ating accessories, we have, hindi pala siya accessories. We have the actual unit itself, which is actually pretty sick. Honestly, yung design ng action cameras ng DJI right now is pretty much, for me, mas okay kasi wala silang color red sa harap, as you can see, guys. Before, may color red yung action, but right now, mas simple na siya. Ang pogi niya talaga. Next natin is the accessories. Check natin kung ano mga laman nito. I believe this is still compatible with the same Osmo ecosystem. So, probably this will have the same charger as the previous generation. But ito, double check pa rin natin siya. Yes, same na same pa rin naman siya lahat, as you can see here, which is nagiging fidget ko to palagi. It has the Osmo adapters. Grabe lahat, nilagyan nila ng plastic ngayon, hiniwahiwalay nila. Dati alam ko magkakasama na sa isang plastic. So meron siyang mga mounting options, which I believe is also compatible dito po sa ilalim. Parang mas stronger yung magnets ngayon. Of course, this is still compatible with the previous ecosystem. And we have here for the chest mount, I think, or the car mounts. And we have, of course, the famous DJI stickers. And we have the tools para dito sa dalawang to. So, pag ginano mo na sila, ganun siya kasimple. Focus tayo dito sa ating DJI Osmo Action 6. Wait lang, nakalimutan pala ako. Meron pa pala siyang mga kasamang ibang accessories. Okay, so meron pa siyang dual direction mini rod extension rod. Wait lang, buksan natin to guys. Daming pinadala ng DJI guys eh. So, check natin siya guys. So, eto naman, in case na hindi ka gagamit ng mahaba, you have a... wala to sa previous generation. Meron kang... extendable ba to? Okay, yun na. So, it has a mini tripod na pwede mong gamitin kung sakaling nasa desk ka lang. Hi, hello. And then, we have a macro lens. Wow! We have a macro lens for action cameras na right now. Wow, that is so crazy. Macro lens, and ang laki niya. Oh my goodness. Medyo mabigat siya. Wow! Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Kailan ka nakakita ng action na camera na gagamitin mo for macro lens? And we have, of course, sa mga di pa nakakaalam, ND filter. ND filter is very important, especially for action cameras kasi when you're dealing with outdoor sunlight, it can be too harsh, so kailangan bigyan ng shades ang iyong action camera. So this is the... Pag binuksan mo siya, and we have the 8, 16, and 32 variant. So, at least dito, original na DJI na to. Again, focus tayo dito sa ating unit itself. Napakaganda. Tanggalin natin to. Look at that. Grabe. Napaka-pogi. So quick overview na tayo guys for the DJI Osmo Action 6. So number 1 na nakita ko, it has of course a dual screen for front and back, which actually makes it very convenient if gagamitin mo siya either mag-isa pag ganyan or pag mag-vlog ka mag-isa ng pag-ganon kasi may makikita kang preview mo sa harap. Number 2, it has a magnetic quick release mount, which is you see na ginamit natin here, which is I can say compatible to the existing DJI Osmo ecosystem. Number 3, what makes it crazy, it's waterproof, waterproof by up to 20 meters without a diving case, which is a big level up from 10 meters that actually brings you an extra peace of mind. So, sobrang dali niyang gamitin with no extra setup stress needed. Now, this is the biggest upgrade guys sa DJI Osmo Action 6. It has a 1/1.1-inch open gate sensor. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin nito? Ano nga ba ang tinatawag nating open gate? So guys, normally kasi pag nag-shoot ka ng landscape lang, 'di ba? Pag nag-shoot ka ng portrait naman, portrait lang. But with open gate, actually guys, eto, maniwala kayo sa akin. Buong sensor yung ginagamit mo. Ibig sabihin guys, hindi crop yung footage na nakukuha mo guys. So comparison with the Osmo Action 5 you can see right now and comparison with the Osmo Action 6, makikita mo you can shoot at once and then convert it to both. You have landscape at the same time and portrait at the same time. Isang shoot, dalawang content agad ang nakukuha mo. And this is actually very huge for content creators like me kasi instead of shooting twice na dalawang effort, you just shoot once and then you can crop later. That's literally hitting two birds with one stone. Now, eto guys, it's even more crazier. First action camera with an adjustable aperture that has a range of f-stop of 2.0 to f-stop of 4.0. So, anong ibig sabihin nito guys in real life? The f-stop 2.0, which is actually a wide open aperture, will give you better low light performance, definitely a brighter image, more cinematic feel. How? Because basically with that aperture, you can achieve a bokeh effect, which is actually first time na pwede mong ma-achieve in a action camera. While the f-stop 4.0, which is a narrower, mas lumiliit siya pag tumataas yung aperture mo, a sharper image, a much less overexposed footage because pwede mong i-control yung pagpasok ng light, which is actually way better for outdoor or brighter scenarios. So instead of relying sa auto aperture lang na nakasanayan with action cameras, now with the Osmo Action 6, you have full control na parang DSLR or mirrorless camera concept. But this time, it's actually inside a action camera. And honestly, this is a pro feature already. Now guys, video quality naman ang pag-usapan natin. Like literally the actual video quality. Number 1, it has a 4K up to not 60 FPS guys, which is traditional action camera has. This has a 4K up to 120 FPS, which can definitely give you a sharp, juicy, slow-mo whenever you need it. Number 2, it has a 10-bit D-Log-M, which basically means color grading will be definitely easy. And number 3, 960 FPS slow motion at 1080p. Super bagay in any action, in any super fast reaction na kailangan mo. Meaning super smooth, cinematic colors, and at the same time, super flexible whenever you're editing. Now guys, ito yung I can say underrated part naman ng DJI Osmo Action 6, the battery itself. It has a 240 minutes battery life, which is equivalent to at least 4 hours of continuous usage. And honestly, that's like super crazy for an action camera. Imagine mo, buong maghapon, di mo siya papatayin, hindi siya maubusan ng battery. Plus, meron pa, it has a 50 gigabytes built-in storage. If you are a person like me na madalas mo nakakalimutan yung micro SD card mo, with the Osmo Action 6 guys, safe ka pa rin. So, ready ka mag-shoot anytime you want. Now, in this part of the video naman, pag-usapan naman natin yung audio and connectivity nito. Number 1 guys, since this is a DJI product, it's already compatible to the DJI Osmo Audio mic ecosystem. Meaning, pwede kang mag-connect ng mga DJI mic directly without even using a receiver in this device. So number 1, it will give you a clean setup, a wireless setup, a waterproof setup, which definitely basically gives you a less hassle setup. Now, here's what I actually realized. This is not an action camera anymore. This is actually a creator tool because, number one, it has an open gate which gives actually you and me a multi-platform content on single shooting, adjustable aperture which is actually a pro level control, 4K 120 FPS with 10-bit color technology, strong battery which actually give us ultimate reliability, and an internal storage which is actually good for emergencies. So instead of making things complicated, this camera actually pinapadali niya yung buhay ng isang content creator. If you're a creator, this is actually one of the smartest upgrades you can get, or I can say, no, the king of action cameras this 2026.